Hi everyone, lathonmb here, and I'm really excited to share with you. I have got a parcel, and hopefully a lot of it should be for my social media. Now, if I remember rightly, there's some microphones in there, there's some stands, there's a little video recorder. So without further ado, let's get it open. Here we go. I'm so excited. Okay, box. Oh, a parcel inside a parcel. That's amazing. Now, I don't remember what that is. Let's have a little look. I don't remember what this is. But, I forgot about that. This is a lovely hooded top. Actually, I might wear this tonight because I'm going to see a Dolly Parton tribute band, so I might wear that tonight. That's one. Let's have a look in this one. Ooh, I hope my miniature video recorder's in here, so hopefully I can film some of the performance tonight for you. Let's have a little. Oh, it's just box after box after box. Okay, what is this? Let's have a look. I'm sorry, do you know, I feel like it's Christmas. Oh, okay. Now these are, let me open it for you. These, I have a lot of these guys because they go on top of your tripod and you film all your stuff. And rather than those, you know, those elasticy ones that you have to bend around your phone and it causes a lot of problems. These ones, I don't know if you can see that there, these have like a screw that you can fix your phone on and you can turn them around so it's landscape and they go on top of your tripod. They're absolutely amazing. And they're much better than those flimsy one with the like stem thing, and then you have to prise it open to get your phone in and you knock everything around. These are perfect. So that's that. What else is there? I think I ordered 3 of these, so these should be okay. Let's go. My phone is calling. They are, just in case. Yeah, I ordered another one. So I ordered one for my sister as well, so she can do her skin therapy business. Oh, I forgot about this one as well, guys. I ordered a short set, so it's very cool short set. Let's have a little look. Like this, with the shorts to match. These are for when I go on holidays. So there's another thing. Oh, it's like Christmas. Christmas, Christmas. I love Christmas. Do you guys like Christmas? Let me know in the comments. And these, I've been waiting for these for a while because my old ones broke. These are my little microphone guys for when I'm out and about. And you know, when you've got the busy traffic behind you and you can't hear yourself talking, these are going to be perfect for my YouTube videos. And as you can see right there, without me dropping anything, it's got the little fuzzy, let me get out of the light, it's got a little fuzzy head, so it cancels out the noise. And I've got a double one, which means that I can start doing interviews and stuff, and we'll both be able to be heard very clearly. Okay, oops, I'm dropping everything because I'm so excited, and I've only got like a few hours before I need to start getting myself ready for the Dolly Parton tribute. So that's that. Oh, there's more. Oh, and this, I'm terrible for buying things for social media. Everything, like I've said in a previous video, all of my life revolves around social media. But this, I'm not going to take it all out, but this, all these little gadgets here, these clip on in your car. You know, on the thing that folds down, what's it called, where, oh, I can't think what it's called off the top of my head, where it blocks out the sun a little bit when you're driving. Oh, that's strong. That's really strong. Oh, there you go. So this clips onto that, so you can actually do all your videoing in the car, which I'm excited about that. I better seal that up because it's got lots of little bits to it. So that's that. That's rubbish. That's rubbish. That's rubbish. And, oh, I'll keep that to put my suit in. Okay, what else have we got? So, oh yes. These, I ordered two different styles because, you know, sometimes things break, don't they? So I always wanted a backup. This is another microphone set, but this one's a little bit nicer looking. So that's that, but I'll do a review on that on another day. I just want to get through these. What's this? Right. This is what I've been waiting for. It's my portable video camera. I'm just gonna have to have a little peek. As you can see, I haven't done any edits in this video. What you see is what you get. That is perfect. Oh, let me come closer and listen. This is perfect. It's one of those spy cam things. Well, not really. Obviously, I don't know how it all works at the moment, but I shall be trying that out before I go. I shall clip that onto my jacket, and then when I'm watching the performance, I can record it. I know I'll probably get done for copyright with the music on YouTube and stuff, so I might have to delete the music out and put something else in its place, but you'll be able to get a general idea of the tribute. So that is going to be perfect. So let me put all that back so I don't lose that. I am so, oh, excuse me. So that's that. What's we got in here? Oh, it's just more is more, guys. More is more. What are these? I have no clue what these are. What are these? These are lights. Oh, I forgot about these. Oh, I ordered 4 of these, guys. Let me faff around. I ordered 4 of these. I know I tend to do everything in excess when it comes to social media. I never want anything to break on me and me not to have a spare. So, these are the open one. Okay, I bet it, oh dear, I'm all fingers and thumbs. Is it gonna work? How do I switch it on? How do I switch it on? Oh, well that didn't do much, did it? Let me turn off this ring light. Okay, I need to close the curtains as well. 1 second. I'm coming back, guys. I'm coming back. Oh, well, you still can't see. But these are lights and they shine up and down. So that's what these are. I got 4 of them. They're not very bright, obviously. It's the middle of the day. And those curtains didn't cancel. Oh, sorry. Those curtains didn't cancel out much of the light, but that is what they are for. Let me turn that off. I'm excited to put those on my wall for when I do my... Oh, look, they even... Oh, did they flash? Oh, no, that just turned it off. I'm so stupid. So I'm really excited to use them, get them on the wall for when I'm live streaming, and I've got some beauty... Oh, it's come back on again. I think I put it on motion. Is that off now? Oh, look, it's even motion detected. How do I turn it off? I'm having a... I'm having a moment. Oh, I think that's it. So they are them. So when I'm live streaming, there'll be a few of these lights shining up and down behind me, which have got different colours. I can choose the mood which I want to be. whether it be blue, green, yellow, whatever colours I've got, I need to investigate more. 1 second, let me turn the light back on. Woo! Oh dear. Turn the light back on and we'll carry on. Okay, I'm in the proper location now for these lights. So let me just move back and turn off the light and you'll see how amazing they are. So, as you can see, I've got 4 of those as well. Oh, what's that? I don't know what that is. That was out of one of them. I think that went in there. I'll check them all later properly. That's more rubbish. More rubbish. Now what else have we got? I don't know what this is, guys. Open, open, open. Halloween makeup. I forgot about that. Oh, let me do this up. I feel like I'm doing a little raunchy number. That's more rubbish, that can go in there. This is face paint, black and white face paint, because we know Halloween's coming up. And as you know, if you check out my playlist called Makeup, you'll see that I like to do lots of different makeup looks. So that's amazing. So I'm glad that's came just in time for Halloween. There's even more. Oh, I forgot about this one as well. But this one, I kind of needed it. Because when you get to a certain age, you need to. In fact, I shall do this before I go out. I know it looks probably like a vape, but it's not because I don't vape. So, look. I can't believe I've just done that on camera. Ooh. But that is a nose hair clipper and also for your ears. So I'm really happy that came because my other one broke. And you know what? With everything I've bought, I've got an adapter for. So I've got hundreds of these adapters knocking around the house somewhere. Let's put that back in the box. Oh, I'm doing a little flash again. I don't want to be doing that. Let me do that. And I think, oh my gosh, this room is a mess. This, I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's another one of those things for my tripod. So, there you go, guys. That is what I've woken up to this morning. A parcel of lots of goodies. I'm excited to try out these microphones, which, like I said, I will do a review on them. I can't wait for Halloween to do some more of my makeup looks, my crazy makeup looks. Oh, also, I'll trim my nose hair tonight, so don't worry about that. I've got my lights to use for my live streams, which is fantastic. I'm looking forward to that. I mean, don't get me wrong, I've got lots of lights anyway, but I just wanted them ones because I'd seen them on a shop somewhere and I thought, oh, they look really cool. And this video camera, this tiny, tiny video camera, this will be put to use tonight for when I go to see the show. And these, I don't even know if they're going to fit me. They look massive, but I'm going to try them on. But I'm pretty handy on the sewing machine anyway, so I can take them in if need be. And this little number here, which is fabulous. It's going to look gorgeous. And I'd forgot really that I'd even ordered this hoodie, but I might wear that tonight. So, guys, that was, let me adjust this camera a little bit. As I said, guys, I've not done any cuts. I've done no edits. It's just a video as you see me. I'm gonna higher this up a little bit so I can talk to you standing up for a minute. Like I said, guys, I've not edited this video at all. I've just kept the camera running just so you can see how I am in general as a person. As you can see, I'm very excitable. I love life, and I've been recording 15 minutes already. I've had no script or anything. I've just done what I've got to do. Like I said, my name's lathonmb, and if you've enjoyed this completely random, unscripted and unapologetic video, don't forget to check out some of my other videos, which should be popping up around now. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.